we've got a compound angle. What I mean by compound angle is that this thing, I was about to call it something rude, is not just theta or x. So we've got tan 2x equals root 3. So first step is like normal. 2x, we're going to chuck it in our calculator. Arctan root 3 in your calculator. 60. So 2x equals 60 degrees. 2, we're going to do our diagram. So 60 degrees is up here. S, A, T, C, and it's positive. So we want the other positive one, so it'll be down here. 180 plus 60, it's 240. So 2x equals 60 degrees. And 2x equals 240 degrees. Now we're going to deal with anything special, so that's the fact that it's 2x, not 1x. So x equals, we're going to just halve it, 30 and 120. That's it. Oh, and double check with the domain, which is something I always forget to do. We're fine. They're both between 0 and 360. This one's a bit harder. But we've got sine x take 250 equals root 3 over 2. First thing's the same though. We're going to chuck in our calculator. So x take 250 equals arcsine root 3 on 2, which is 60. So x minus 250 equals 60. Now you may be tempted to barrel into it, but you'd lose some of the answers. We need to do a diagram to double check that we're getting all of the answers that are correct for this one that work, because it's not just 60 that works. I mean, it's not just 310 that works. So 60 is up here. That's fine. S, A, T, C. We also wanted the other one that came out positive. So it's 60 up here, which means it's 120. So x take, as our step 3, x take 250 equals 60, and x take 250 equals 120, which gives us x equals 310 and x equals 270. Double check our domain. Yeah, they're both between 0 and 360. Okay, last question. Oh, finally, last question. It's a doozy though. It is a doozy. Because this one, it's not just, 3x or 2x. There's a sine x plus a root 3 times a cos x. So, we're going to have to do something tricky. We're going to have to deal with it first. This is really annoying. Deal with it. The equation first here. So we've got sine x plus root 3 cos x equals 0. I think the easiest thing for me to do in this question is to get this root 3 over to the other side somehow. But I'm going to have to... So I could do sine x equals negative root 3 cos x, like I'm subtracting the root 3 cos x. I've still got this root 3 here. I don't care that it's negative, that's fine. Why don't I decide to divide both sides by cos x? Assuming cos x does not equal 0. Because then on the left-hand side, I've actually got tan x. On the right-hand side, I've got negative root 3. And this is something I know how to solve. So now we can go to our step 1, calculator. X equals arctan negative root 3, which is negative 60 degrees. Number 2, draw it in your diagram, negative 60 is going down 60. So it's 300. It's tan, S-A-T-C. So the other one where tan's going to be negative is up here, which means this one's going to be 60 back, which gives us 120. So x equals 120 degrees and x equals 300 degrees. Double check with the domain.